Alright, what's up guys? In the smartphone world, every year we see the same old story, minor tweaks, a slightly new coat of paint, and that's it. But today, something is about to happen that will divide smartphone history into two eras, before this phone, and after this phone. If you are absolutely bored out of your mind with the repetitive designs from Apple and Samsung, Sony just dropped an absolute megabomb. Forget everything you know about tech specs, because today, we are talking about the biggest monster in the tech industry, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 9. This isn't just a gadget, it's a Hollywood camera, a 4K mini theater, and a literal supercomputer hidden inside your pocket. Fasten your seatbelts, because this beast is here to leave the competition in the dust. Design and display. When you pick up the Xperia 1 Mark 9 for the very first time, only one phrase is going to come out of your mouth: man, this is pure luxury. Sony didn't play around with cheap plastic or generic glass here. Instead, you get a premium, scratch-resistant matte black finish on the back panel that looks incredibly classy and feels like absolute velvet. Its aerospace-grade aluminum side frames feature fine, micro-grooved lines that don't just look edgy, but offer a rock-solid grip in your hand. But the biggest surprise in the design department this year is the camera module. Sony ditched that tired, old vertical strip and replaced it with a uniquely stunning, muted champagne gold metallic camera bump. It looks absolutely lethal against that deep black body. And yes, purists rejoice. Sony's signature 3.5mm headphone jack and the USB-C port are still standing tall and proud. The real magic happens the moment you turn the screen on. Sony has packed a massive 6.65-inch 4K HDR OLED display, and here's the twist, it now comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're streaming 4K content or dropping into high-intensity mobile gaming, the visuals are so realistic and buttery smooth that you won't believe your eyes. The color accuracy here is the exact same caliber you find on Sony's $5,000 Bravia TVs. The DSLR killer camera. Now, let's talk about the department that's about to make DSLRs pack up and go home, the cameras. Right on that gorgeous gold camera bump, you can clearly see the iconic Zeiss T branding. Sony didn't just pull off a minor stunt here, they dropped a literal nuclear bomb on the tech industry with a quad camera setup, a total powerhouse matrix. Hold on to your seats, because the main primary camera is a mind-blowing 300 megapixels. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it features Sony's latest and the world's largest sensor, running on actual cinema-grade technology. You will get tired of zooming into pictures shot on this 300 megapixel beast, but the pixels refuse to shatter. Even in pitch-black darkness, it pulls in so much light that digital noise completely vanishes. Supporting this monster main lens, you get a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures breathtaking landscapes with zero distortion. For zooming in close, the advanced periscope telephoto lens acts as a next-level optical zoom that could easily capture the crystal-clear details of a bird's eye mid-flight. Sony also included an advanced 3D time-of-flight (TOF) sensor, which delivers that beautiful, natural, Hollywood-style background blur in portrait shots. With all four cameras working in perfect harmony, you can shoot 4K videos at 120 FPS in HDR so crisp, even Netflix executives will be scratching their heads. Meanwhile, the 32-megapixel front camera treats every selfie like a high-fashion magazine cover shoot. Performance. Inside this gorgeous chassis hides a savage beast. Powering this phone is Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This isn't just a processor, it's a mobile nuclear reactor. When you pair this super chipset with 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR6 RAM, and 512GB of ultra-fast storage, you get a speed explosion so intense that the word lag is permanently deleted from its dictionary. You could be rendering a heavy 4K video in the background while playing a graphic-intensive game at max settings, and this thing will keep running as smooth as butter. To top it all off, you get a completely clean, bloatware-free, next-level experience running on the latest Android 17. Battery life. To keep this monster alive, Sony packed a massive 5500 mAh battery that easily sails through a full day of heavy, hardcore usage. It checks all the boxes with fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging to juice up your earbuds on the go. As for the secret pro features, for the hardcore gamers, there's a next-gen vapor chamber cooling system that keeps the phone ice cold even after hours of gaming. Plus, on the bottom right of the frame, Sony brought back their classic, redesigned textured shutter button. It gives you that authentic, professional camera feel with a true half-press to focus feature. For connectivity, you are fully future-proofed with Wi-Fi 7, the latest Bluetooth version, and high-speed USB-C 3.2. Price and release window. Now, let's talk about the part that might cause an earthquake in your wallet, the price. God-level technology and an ultra-premium design like this mean you're going to have to pay up. The Sony Xperia 1X is expected to launch with a global price tag hovering between $1,400 and $1,500. The phone is slated to drop globally in just a few months. So, my tech family, looking at this insanely lethal, gorgeous design and these ridiculous specs, what do you think? Are you ready to pick up the ultimate camera king? Is Sony finally going to shake the foundations of Apple and Samsung's empire? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.